In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently shop on the Temu platform, making use of coupon codes to save money on your purchases. This guide ensures that you make the most of your online shopping experiences in a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to go to Temu's website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the Temu URL. You'll find yourself on the main page, which is your gateway to a world of products across various categories. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, home essentials, or more, Temu is sure to have what you need. Spend a little time familiarizing yourself with the layout of the site if you haven't visited before. You'll find that it's geared towards making your shopping experience as easy and enjoyable as possible. Once you've landed on the website, the next step is to browse for a product that catches your eye. Take your time scrolling through the vast selection available. You might want to use the search bar if you have something specific in mind, or explore through categories if you're just window shopping. Once you find something you like, clicking on the product will take you to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find all the details you need: descriptions, specifications, customer reviews, and price, all of which help you make an informed decision on your purchase. When you're ready to proceed with buying the product, head over to the checkout page. This is where you'll see a summary of your order, including the price and any shipping details. It's important to review the order summary to ensure everything is as it should be. Now, this is a crucial moment for saving some extra money. Look just below the order summary and you'll find a section labeled Enter Coupon Code. This is where the magic happens. If you have a coupon code, simply input it into this field. After entering the coupon code, you'll need to click the Apply button. This action tells the website to process the coupon and adjust your order total accordingly. With a successful code, you should see a reduction in your total, reflecting the discount. If there's an issue with the code, it might be due to expiration or conditions not being met, so ensure to check the terms for any requirements. Finally, with your discount applied, you're ready to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through Temu, used a coupon code effectively, and secured your items for a better price. All that's left to do is await your package's arrival. This process not only saves you money, but also enhances your online shopping skills, enabling you to take full advantage of available discounts. Happy shopping, and until next time, enjoy your savings.